What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So tonight for dinner, my mom and dad decided to make corn dogs, coney dogs, which here's what they made. Coney dogs, corn, and french fries. And, yeah.
Isaac, did you leave your butt plug out again?
Damn it, Dad! Ignore my dad.
Oh, now you gotta edit your stuff because you said that.
Yeah.
So much for a band for kids.
And none of my content is, but I digress. But yeah, it looks really good. It actually is really good. I mean, the way I define a coney dog is good is if as soon as you pick it up, the bun falls apart. And look what happened to mine. That is a daggum good coney dog.
That's why your dad made the bun.
I don't know how my dad made the buns, but he did a daggum good job. Let's try this stuff. Oh, darn. Oh, man, that's good. And to put out the fire, I've actually got a Gatorade Zero right here.
Oh yeah, the Tony sauce has jalapeno on it.
I was wondering what the fire. I knew the coney sauce had jalapenos in it, but I was wondering what the heck that other small bite was. I prefer Gatorade Zero over Powerade Zero because to me Powerade Zero is watery, and I've got to add at least 1 or 2 Kool-Aid packets to it depending on the size of the bottle. My mom really only likes me adding 1.
Mom doesn't like you adding any.
Mom doesn't like me adding any, but I'm sure she understands why I do it. But yeah,
Having you drink water.
we all know that won't happen. But yeah, it's a really good dinner tonight. Oh man, I even got a chance to make some of that my homemade barbecue again, which is always a damn good time.
Did you put any guacamole on it?
Guac is disgusting.
Fresh guac?
Even homemade guac is disgusting. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.